Hey everyone, this is Sebastian from the Spirit Crest channel, and today I've received my bindings, so I'm hoping to put them on. Let me show you where I'm at. So here are my skis. I just got my F12 Marker bindings, and you can see I lined up the stencil on my old ski. This way I could see where the holes were going to go and how the screws were going to fit in. So here we have my binding installed on my old ski. There are 9 screws in total. I put epoxy on each of them so that I could seal the holes afterwards and there would be no water leaking into the core of the ski. To be able to access the 4 screws at the front, you have to flip the switch and kind of shimmy the binding forward and backward to get access to all 4 screws. I ended up using a 4mm drill bit to make the holes. I realize now that I missed one of the holes and I drilled it later on.
The epoxy on the screws is secured. There's still a little bit of a difficulty. I still have that groove here that I didn't sand down all the way up to here. So the back plate here isn't quite sitting on as smoothly as I'd like. Much better on the other one. It's very flush. I can't get under it. Here we go. Wee-hoo! Go right over the bumps. Woo! Woo! I mean, they work. That's what counts, right?
Thanks for watching, everyone.
But they are bulky. I feel like my Jeep, when it hits 90 kilometers an hour, it's just like, nope, I'm not going any faster. Makes you appreciate a pair of skis. Can't believe I just said that. After I don't know how many hours of building these things, I'm like, oh yeah, makes you appreciate a pair of skis, because I suck.